Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Today is going to be a short stream. I will be continue with the shapes. Hopefully this time we don't have too much issues and we see how it's gonna go. Feel free to participate with me, post the video, do the exercise alone and then continue for the answer hopefully. Okay, let's go. Ok, allora. So we have to do these exercises. Or you know what, I can do something. I thought about it. 1 second. Right, let's continue. So I'm going to be doing this exercise first. And we're doing shapes. So let's see. I need to Alright, area of a composite shape. A garden is made from a rectangle 8 by 5 meters with a symmetric circle attached to one of the shorter sides. Find the total area of the garden. So here we have a rectangle, and then we have a half circle here, then it's 8 meter this side, and this side is 5 meter. First thing we have to do is find the area for the rectangle. So 5 times 8 is 40. We're looking for the area, and then is meter square. Now we need to find the half circle. We know circle is like this, and for the circle, if we wanted to find the full area, we would have pi r square. The radius is this, diameter is this. We know this full is 5, but in this case is 2.5. Pi is 3.14 times 2.5 square. Alright, so for this, 2 times 5, 2 times 5, right, 1 second. Five times 5 is 25. Mm. Mm. How do I do this? Okay, 1 second. Let me change my lights 1 second. Okay, let's continue. So 5 times 20. 5, 5. Oops, that's not what I want to do. 25, 5. Then we write 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. I cannot get used to this. Then 2 times 5 is 10. 2 is 4 and 1 is 5. Alright, so 5, 7. Why did I put the 7? 2, 6. Then we have two decimals, 6.25. So 3.14. Oops. Times 6.25. Now I will turn this around. Five times 4 is 20. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 2, 7, 3, 15. 2 times 4 is 8, 2. 3, 2 is 6. Then we have 6 times 4 is 24. Then 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 is 18. And 15, yeah. So this is supposed to be a 5. Okay, 5 plus 2 is 7, 8 plus 4 is 12. So 7, 8, 16, 9, and then is 1. Then we have 4 decimals, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see. Let me use calculator to see if I'm right. 3.14 times 6.25. So I did somewhere. I forgot to bring the 0 down. That's why. So now this is for the full circle. And we need to find the half. So we divide this. Oops. So divide by 2. So this divide by 2 is 9.81, and that's where I'm going to leave it. Meter square. So now since we have the half circle, which is this one, half circle, sorry, can't write. we need to add the rectangle 40 meters plus 9.81. The lights make me dizzy. Wait a second. 9.8. This is 10. If I had 10, it would be there. But I think the placement for this is wrong. You know? I think it's here. Because 10 would go there. You know? Yeah. Because if we think about it, even in logical terms, this is it. 4981 meters square. Alright, we started off well. Exercise 2. How do we do here? Edit. Would be nice to highlight it. Let's do this. Can't be bothered with the lights. Alright, question 2. A volume has a cross-section with a base 6 meters and a height of work out volume. Interesting. We did this last time, so triangle prism is the 6. Then we have a base of 6 centimeter and a height of 4 centimeter. Wait, base, yeah, and this together with this line like this is 15 centimeter long. That's what it means. Now I remember this. This is something you always have to remember. Base times the height divided by 2. So now we have the base 6 times the height, which is 4, divided by 2. 6 times 4 is 24. Divide 2 is 1. And 12, right? 12 centimeter. Then we have 12 centimeter times 15 is what? Let me turn this around. 12 times 15. 5 2 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 1 is 6. This is 12. Then we add all together 0, 8, 1. Then we have this, and is a volume, so this is always 1/3. No, if I'm correct, I think this is it, but let's see. No. Base times the height. One time base in height and divide 2 by the length of the prism. Did I do the multiplication wrong? 12 times 15. No. The area of the triangle version is base times the height. So 1 divide 2 times 4 times 6 is 12. Okay. Maybe I need to do 12 plus 12 is 24. So if we had here 24 times 15, 360. Submitting power 3. Yes. Alright, so what I had in mind is, because it was 2 circles, first you find this, and then this, and then this bit, to find the volume. The volume is the amount a shape we fill, It's like you're having like let's say a car, and you fill it up with 6 boxes, for example. If this was the van or car, whatever, you can fill it like with 6. So in here you can do 3 times 2 is 6. This is what it means. The same thing here. Times 2 is 24. Both triangles. Then we go 24. 20, 10, 12, 24, 0, 6, 3. Volume. Yeah. We continue with the question 3. An angular polygon has a triangle. How many sides does a polygon have? Interior angles. Polygon. What? What is the polygon? Polygon. I don't have it here. Pentagon, it says trapezius. Polygon. Regular polygon. Okay. second. Polygons. Okay, just had the look, but I think it talks for the regular. So polygons, like they are like pentagon, hexagon, octagon, those three, and I think there's four anyways. But I think the regular one is the pentagon. So how many sides does a polygon have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Maybe we need to work more on it's a regular polygon. Each different has, you need to know how many. You do a visual of polygon image. I mean, I know how to solve the formula. I mean, we have been given 150, okay? 150 minus 2 times 8. That's how it's supposed to be. I think. Or no. I think they might have kind of um, added like new stuff in factional skills level 2, because to be real, we did had ankles, but I don't think we did this type of thing here, you know? Alright, moving on to this. I think we done this one last time. Um, emerge scale of 1 to 150 betting measures in time. How long should it be on the map? We have what did they even base, bro? Oh, I see. Fuck's sake, bro. Okay. Oh wait, I need to mark it within this one. What? 250. Scale drawing. I use scale of 150. A building measures 12 meters in real life. How long should it be on the map? Well, so I think I need to multiply 250 by 12. So 250 times 12. I think maybe this is it, but I'm not sure. I don't think it is. 3000. I think it's not. So it's not. I think this is the way around. Ah, so it gives me the, but how does it say using terms in real life? Okay, we need to work on the skill drawing. I think this one is like with the X. Sorry for this, not perfect. Something like this, and we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Then we have point -3. So minus, wait a second. More like is the X and then there is the Y. Then we have something like this, you know. This is the letter X and Y, okay. And then the point is at -3, which is the height 1, 2, 3, -3 original, and 4. So the point is here, and then we need to translate to 5 units, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 2 units down. So here we have then 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the actual mark here. Give the new coordinates. So if I'm right, so we have 3, 4, 5. This is in the -5. So it's -5, -5, -5, comma, wait, is the X, this is the Y, this is the Y, and X is nine. Because I written it there like this, maybe. So, oh, Says not. Okay, five. He said, wait, the actual question was 23 for relay 5 units right. 2 units down. So the point was here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, of course. But still. 3 minus 3. Oh no, it said 4. Isn't it said 5? And you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 units down. So the original was 3, 4. Minus 3, 4. Minus 3, 4. Wait a second, guys. So it depends because those values in the back are minus. So, 5 is x. So we had minus 3, 4 could be. So if this was x, then it was here, and 4 positive here. Then say 5 units to the right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 down. I see, bro. Yeah, and that was my bad. I did wrong. So yeah, apparently we have as well here. Forgot about this bit. I thought we didn't need it. That's why I didn't write. But I didn't thought this side was also minus. Interesting. So first we're gonna do a list of the things we don't remember. Space. Alright, so next time we're going with metric and imperial conversions. Thanks for watching, guys, and take care.